In this video, I'll show you how to set up an Airtable automation. First, sign into your Airtable account and open the base where you want the automation to run. From the top of the base, click Automations, then select Create Automation to begin. Next, choose a trigger that will start the automation. For example, you can run it when a record is created, when a record matches certain conditions, or when a specific field is updated. Configure the trigger and test it to make sure Airtable detects the correct records. After that, click Add Action and choose what you want the automation to do. You can update a record, create a new record, send an email, post a message to Slack, or perform another supported action. Complete the required settings, then test the action to verify that it works correctly. Now, review the entire automation to make sure the trigger and action are connected properly. Run a final test using sample data and confirm that the automation performs exactly as expected without any errors. Finally, switch the automation on to activate it. You can return to the automation section at any time to edit, pause, or monitor its activity as your workflow changes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up an Airtable automation. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.